Hey gang, so this video is a little bit different from what I've usually done on my channel. I have never ever done an unboxing before. Part of the reason for that was I didn't know if people would actually be interested in them, and also because a lot of times when I get stuff from different companies that are sending me their equipment to review, I don't really get that much packaging with it, so there's not that much to go through. But I have been getting some requests lately from some folks that have been watching my channel and have asked for unboxings. So in cases where there actually is stuff to open up, I'm gonna start doing it and see how it goes. Drex here from DrexFactor.com, and I am coming at you today with an unboxing for the graphic poi razor from A Technologies. And of course, before we dive in, I just want to give a shout out to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Flow Toys, LMF Props, Spinballs, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can check out all of these awesome companies by looking at the links down in the description of this video. Cool. So we're going to start off by just opening up the packaging and everything. As you can see, like a lot of international packages, it's really heavily taped up and it's kind of hard to see where the seams are or if there's like a box underlining it or what have you. But no problem. I've got my trusty little box cutter right here, and I'm going to do a couple very ginger incisions to try and start working my way through here. I do really like that the packaging tape has the A Technologies logo on it. That's a really cute touch. Cool, so I've got a little bit of the end off, enough to see that there's another layer of bubble wrap underneath this, and what looks like a blue box or carrying case underneath it, so I'm gonna keep at it here. Well, it took a little bit of work to get it free, but yeah, it looks like we have a blue carrying case inside of here that has a layer of bubble wrap around it to cushion it. Good call, especially for the international shipping. Awesome. So I am just going to cut up this tape around here to get the carrying case free, and I should be able to get a better idea of what all came in this package. Sweet. So as you can see, it comes in this lovely blue carrying case that's got the A Technologies logo on it and everything. Quite long. These are probably longer than any other set of programmable poi that I have ever used, and feels pretty hefty. There's a lot of stuff in here. It looks like there's a pair of handles that are slightly buried inside of the case itself. That's probably just to help make it a little bit more sleek for shipping. Pull them out pretty easily and it zips all the way back up. All right, so as I unzip it here, I run into my first problem, which is that it appears that when I was using the box cutter, I accidentally put a nick in the case right in the corner of the zipper, which really sucks because this carrying case is beautiful and I can't believe that I've broken it already. But I guess that is my lesson, to be a little bit more delicate with the box cutter in the future. Cool, so opening up the case, we have a lot of stuff in here. I'll go through it piece by piece. We got some stickers from A1 Technologies, and we have a candy bar. This looks like it was made in the Czech Republic. Fantastic. And what looks like some more stickers, and another chocolate bar. I don't know if this is common. This got shipped to me on Valentine's Day, so that may be the reason why this is here. Also a plug, European adapter, so that's not going to work for me. Keychains with the A Technologies logo on them. That's cute. And what looks like a USB jump drive. I'm going to guess that the software for these is included on this. We've also got a pair of adapters from micro USB to USB, which I'm willing to bet are both to charge them, as well as to program the poi. Cool, so it looks like that's all the stuff that's inside kind of the mesh thing on the other side of the bag, so let's take a look at the poi themselves. As you can see, they have flow cords on them, which is fantastic because I have a personal pet peeve with expensive sets of programmable poi that come with really cheap tethers. We've also got a double loop handle on the end here. Not my cup of tea personally, but it looks pretty secure. Really beautiful printed graphics on the ends of these, I must say, with the Razor logo and all. Looks like there's a 2-button interface here. I will confess, I have not read the instructions yet, so I do not know exactly what order of button presses it's going to take to make these work, but I can mess around with them just a little bit and see what kinds of modes and stuff I can find. Yeah, so I definitely need to consult the manual. I have absolutely no idea what's going on here. So it looks like the ends of these have both some plastic as well as metal hardware connecting them onto the tether, as well as a kind of hard rubber tip to the other end, which is good because hopefully that will help these out if they encounter any shocks, like say if they run into you or something else in the course of spinning. It's kind of cool that when you turn these off, there's almost like a little graphic of a lightsaber kind of, you know, stopping up and everything. That's a really interesting touch to it. I kind of like that. Hey, look at that. I finally got a program working. Fantastic. All right, I really do need to consult the manual though. Cool, so these are the razors from A Technologies, and I can't wait to try these out. You're gonna see a review on these coming out sometime in the next couple months as I get to use them and work on the programming and everything. And I can't wait to see how these stack up against some of the other poi that I've used, as well as just in their own right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in the case here so you can see kind of what you'll be working with as you transport these around yourself. And yeah, thanks A Technologies for sending me these. Cool, so let me know what you thought of all this. Did you like this format? Would you prefer not to have unboxing videos on my channel? Let me know down in the comments. And of course, if you dug this video and you'd like to see more like it, please sign up for my notification squad by clicking on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Big thanks to all of my awesome supporters on Patreon, because without you guys, the videos on this channel would not exist. If you would like to sign up to support the work that I do, please head on over to patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi. Thank you in advance. And of course, in case it's not clear, there is going to be a review coming for these in the next few months, so keep your eyes peeled. Do you own a set of graphic poi by A Technologies? Let me know down in the comments. Especially let me know what you think of them and if there's anything that I should know as I'm getting into them. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and of course, check out all the other awesome videos that I have on this channel. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the flow. Peace.